Hi everyone, welcome back to Houseplant Essentials. I'm Bryce. Thanks for watching my video today. I'm so glad you're here with me. In today's video, well, first of all, you'll notice there is a change of scene. Yes, I am house sitting for my friend, and I decided to bring my camera just in case, and I'm really glad I did because guess what? Well, rewind just a little bit. I ordered a couple plants off Etsy while I was here, and I have them shipped to this address. So one of them came today. Yes, I am so curious to see which one it is. They're both supposed to arrive around the same time. I don't recognize the address. I don't remember where it was coming from. So I am so excited to open this box. It is right here. Check it out. I know it's a houseplant. It has priority mail express postings all over it. So I don't know what it is. Let's find out. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, I have my knife. Yes, let's just... I'm not a murderer. This right here. Oh my God. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. I think it's, well, I don't want to spoil it for you, but let's just open it. All right. Be careful with a knife. Okay. There's a heat pack in it. That's good right here. These are heat packs. I don't know if you've ever seen one. That's what they look like. They're just like these little rocks. Oh my God. What if it's the more expensive one? What if? What if? So this is what it looks like in the box, right? Let's just rip it out. Oh my God, I'm getting really nervous and really anxious. Oh my God, this is funny. Okay, the tape is stuck. Should have brought out my scissors. Just cut it. I know you can't really see this as I'm doing it, but that's okay, this is the boring part. Okay, what is it? I'm gonna open it and then I will lift it up to the camera. I know this is not the best view. This is what I'm doing though. Okay. All right, it's the, wow, it's the more expensive one. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm about to have a heart attack. My heart is at, like, my heart rate is at, I wasn't expecting this within one day. I had it shipped priority 2-day express. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Are you guys ready? Here it comes. Check it out. Yeah. Do you know what this is? This, my friends, is a Monstera albo 2-leaf cutting. Hold on, I haven't even had a chance to look at it because I was putting it towards the camera. Oh my God. Wow. It's beautiful. It has the most beautiful variegation. This has got a nice root started down here. So this is a cutting. Even though it's a cutting, it's still pretty expensive. You know, obviously these kind of variegated plants tend to be more expensive, but I definitely wanted this. This was like similar to what I had on my wish list. I had a Monstera Thai Constellation, but I decided in the end to go with the Monstera Elbow because, well, frankly, I think it's prettier than the other ones I was seeing on Etsy. So, okay, so yeah, this is so beautiful. I am absolutely amazed. I'm so excited to get this back to my apartment, which I'm gonna do tomorrow morning. I've got some other plants to take over there that I've bought. So this is gonna go into water where it's gonna get rooted until it's got some really nice roots going on. It's got some started, which is a really nice, like really nice. So yeah, I'm extremely thrilled with my purchase. I'm like, something so beautiful came in the mail so quickly. It's awesome. The only thing that I'm, you know, right here at the top where the stem reaches the leaf, there's a little bit of browning, but you know what? I'm not too worried about it because the rest of the plant is absolutely gorgeous. This leaf right here, let's see, hopefully it's hard for me to know if it's focusing. I can't tell by looking at the monitor. But yeah, this leaf has got some beautiful variegation. I'm just so happy. So I'm really glad I got to share this with you. All right. Well, that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked it, and I hope you did, give it a big thumbs up down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and then you'll get to be part of this gorgeous houseplant family, and you'll get notified of new content when it's available. I release my videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so in the morning, of course. We have to start our day with a nice video from Houseplant Essentials. And one last time, here it is. The beautiful, stunning Monstera Elbow. Oh my God, it's just beautiful. All right, everyone, take care.